Hello viewers, in this lesson we're going to learn about matrix of the cofactor. How do you find the cofactor of a matrix? So in an example you're told 1, you're given 1, matrix 1, 2, 3, 1, negative 2, negative 2, 1, 4, negative 2 into x, y, and z. So how do you find the cofactor of the given matrix here? Now solution. When you've taken 1, the first row, the first row is always positive, negative, positive. The second row is negative, positive, negative. The third row is positive, negative, positive. Now, when you've taken 1, you ignore everything in 1 from in this row and in this column. Now, the first one, you ignore this and this. You'll remain with negative 3, negative 2, 4, and negative 2. This one here. Now, when you find the determinant of this, it will be negative 2 times negative 3. This one, that one will be 6. 6 minus negative 2 times 4. That will be 6 minus 8. That's why we find here 14. When you've taken the second one, you'll ignore everything in that column and everything in that row. So you'll have 2, 4, 3, and negative 2. I think you're together up to this point. When you take the second one, you ignore everything in that column and everything in that row. Now you'll have 2, 4, 3, and negative 2. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Now, when you take the third 3, you ignore everything in this column and everything in this row. Now you have 2, negative 3, 3, negative 2, 2, negative 3, 3, and negative 2. Now, 2, when you find the determinant of this one, you will get 16. Determinant of this, you get 5. That one will be on the first row here, which if at all you were supposed to write, you could have write 14, 16, and 5. When you continue, you are in 2, right? If you're in 2, we ignore everything in 2. You ignore the 2 column and the 2 row, and the 2 column. Now you remain with 1 and 1, negative 2 and negative 2. You find the determinant on both. When you come to negative 3 again, you do the same thing. Ignore this and ignore this. You'll have 1, 1, 3, and negative 2. When you come to 4 again, you ignore this and this. You'll have 1, 1, 3, negative 2. The same to the last digits on this matrix, which are 3, negative 2, and negative 2. When you come to 3, ignore this and this. You'll have 1, 4, negative 3, and 1. Right? That's how you go about to find the cofactor of a matrix. Very easy like that. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. And if you like my videos and my videos have been of help to you, don't forget to share. See you in my next video. Thank you.